Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I show y'all how to do this look, and I use the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. That's Bling Boss palette. And let's get started. What's up, y'all? So today we are going to be doing a makeup look with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This is Bling Boss, and I mean, it works for me. I'm not about that controversy, so let's move past it. Alright, so I just went ahead and did my base off camera because I wanted to save some time. So I just took my Wet n Wild Photo Focus, foundation, and then I took my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. I mixed just a little bit of this because this is a little too dark, which I used yesterday in my Casey Holmes video. That one should already be up, so go check it out if you haven't. Then I also took my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. Then I set it all with my ColourPop No Filter in translucent, and I think that's it. Oh, I used my Gino & Company sponge, and I also used my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray just to get all the powders at bay. So, all the powders, you know, to sink into my face. So now let's get into the eyes, and I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Alright, so I just have a couple of my favorite brushes here. Well, a lot of my favorite brushes. I'm probably gonna drop a lot. It's fine. So I just have concealer and powder on my eyelids, and I'm gonna go into Hush Hush, which is just kind of a taupe shade with just a fluffy brush. You can use any brush. I hope this lighting is okay. Is that a little better? Alright, so now that I have that in my crease, I'm just gonna go ahead into Mystic, which is kind of a dark purple color. It's on the end. And I'm just gonna take that same brush in the crease a little bit lower. And like I said, this is not the shadow, that is just my eye. I don't know what is wrong. Do y'all see that? Or it just kind of creases like it's choppy. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and just deepen that up. Alright guys, so I just took some time blending. I don't know if y'all can see that right there or not, but I usually don't get like creases like right in there, and I've been blending this and they're not going away. Like, it's helped a little, but I feel like I'm just blending the product away. And I think it's also happening kind of like right in there. I don't know. Maybe I'll just move on to another shade. So I'm gonna go into Rockstar. It's not as dark. It's more purpley than Mystic. So I'm just gonna go tap right in there. See what this does. Alright, I'm gonna take just a big blender. Okay, well that helped a little. And I actually really like that, so I'm glad I did that. I'm just going to take a flat brush, and actually I want to put kind of a base down. So I'm just going to take this Rimmel Scandaleyes little pencil, let's see, eyeshadow stick in the color 002 Bulletproof Beige. And it's just a little like champagne color. So I'm just going to go on the inner corner and a little bit on the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into Glitz and Glam at first. I might go into another shade, but I really wanted kind of that gold. And this is the more goldy color in the palette. And I'm just going to kind of blend that. So now I'm going to zoom you out a little bit. Ooh. I took my blanket off and I got cold. I love this blanket. I got it from Ross, I think, and it was like 15 bucks. Or no. It was like $9 or $10, and I got another one that was like $8 or something like that. Yeah, I got these little cute little hoop earrings in. I have like the small ones that came with like a medium pair, and then a really big pair that I got from H&M. This is the behind the scenes. Yeah, I got it from H&M. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of top liner on. And I want to start doing like wings, but today is not the day. My stomach is literally growling because it is 12:50 and I haven't eaten yet. So my stomach's like, I think I'm gonna add some of this e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Brushed Copper just to the inner corner. e.l.f.'s liquid eyeshadows are really good. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Unique Moonstruck Epic Mascara. Also, sorry if I'm always looking this way. My camera's here and my mirror's over here. But with my under eye, I did Hush Hush, Rockstar, and Mystic. So, and I just smoked it out just a little bit, not too much. Not too little, not too much. And now I'm going to go ahead, and I've been really, I have all my lashes in this little container here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some Juno & Company lashes. These are number H5, I guess. And I've been enjoying these. They're really cheap lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on, and then we'll finish up the face. So I just put those lashes on, and I put a little bit of eyeliner in my tight line because I just felt like you could see the lash band, and I want them to look as natural as possible. So let's find a lip. That's purple. First, I'm gonna start out with just a lip liner. This is just a pink. You probably aren't even gonna be able to see it that well. Now let's see what color I want to do. I really like this Bite Beauty. It's in Glace. It's a matte cream. That's a little warmer than I thought. I really want to be like a lipstick person, y'all. But honestly, just give me some chapstick and I'll be fine. Alright, it's a little warmer than I thought. Let's see what Little Studious by ColourPop looks like. Okay, I like that. I want a gloss though. Yeah. I haven't even put any bronzer on yet. Am I insane? Probably so. I'm just going to take a little bit of bronzer. And bronzer up. And I haven't highlighted. Am I absolutely nuts? Guys, I'm really sorry if this like lighting is not good. I'm still getting used to filming during the day. So just letting y'all know. Ooh, y'all hear that? That was my back. We're just gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink blush because it's in my fave. Now, what am I gonna highlight with? I've got my Jaclyn Hill palette, like the Becca one. That looks like this. Probably can't even see that because it's white and it's got stuff on it. Don't even know what that is. But it looks like this. I think I might use Champagne Pop. And I might mix some of the Prosecco Pop. I think it's Prosecco. Yep. I wonder if Jaclyn Hill even uses this anymore. And I'm gonna put a little Prosecco up at the top. Alrighty. Just for old time's sake, y'all, I used to love this. I really like my makeup. Alright, let's take this hair down. And give it a zhuzh. Alrighty. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I really do like that palette. I don't know what was going on with the blending and all that, but I really do like my makeup today, and I love how it turned out. Very glowy. So y'all can see that little line. Oh well. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, hair. Oh. And y'all let me know what y'all think about this look, and let me know what y'all want to see next, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Just give me truck. Can you not? Anyway. Ooh.
Teardrop